Alright guys, I'm actually excited about this AI pin by Humane. So supposedly is a smartphone replacement of the future. And it started at $6.99. So it was designed by former Apple designers, guys. So this could be really, it could be either a flop or it's just gonna replace smartphone. In the near future. So I'm at the official website right now, and we're gonna check it out. Instead of scrolling down, we're just gonna watch a video because they have a video in uh, like demo on it. So, anyway, let's just watch the film and see what you guys think of this AI pin. AI pin.
Isn't life about what we experience, what we smell,
Can I eat this?
Yes, dragon fruits are low in sugar.
what we hear,
Hey, what should I get here? 我在这里该点什么呢？
That's
what
cool.
we see,
Oh. Capture this. Sweetie.
and what we feel? What if we build more memories,
What are some fun things to do nearby?
share more moments,
Play songs from the last time we were here.
What would happen if we rediscover our senses? What if devices weren't the experience?
Catch me up.
Lucy called and your flight is at 7
Tell
a.m.
Lucy I'm on my way.
What if life was?
AI Pin.
Alright, so what do you guys think? Leave comments below. I mean, what about like what about like checking out your social media? How you gonna watch videos and stuff like that? They didn't really show anything about that, so I'm kind of, maybe I need to read more into it. It doesn't say here, but yeah, I'm kind of excited about this one. $6.99. It's pretty much like the average price of an iPhone. It's definitely something new that we're not accustomed to seeing. So as people get accustomed to these new kind of gadgets, you get better and better. I mean, I already have it's kind of, I don't know, I guess it's kind of similar to the well, not really, but it's kind of like that. That Ray-Ban glasses that I just bought, because you can talk with it, you can make videos. You can ask the AI just like it did it right there. You can also listen to it at the same time, but it's just in the glass way. So this one is gonna be like, it's like a pin, but who knows, guys? Who knows where this one will take us? Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you guys next time.